Hey there, in this video we'll solve the Leetcode question 112, which is path sum. So we have been given a root of a binary tree and an integer target sum. Simply we have to check if the sum of all the values from root to leaf is equal to the target sum. If it is, then return true. Else check in the whole tree. If we did not find any such path, then simply return false because there is no such solution. Let us see the working code. We'll simply call the find function and we'll pass parameter as a root and target sum, so that we have called the another function so that we can make our recursion call in that. And if we'll check if root value is null, means there is no tree, or we have reached to the null position after this child, after this leaf node. So we'll simply return false because we did not find any path, because there is no such path for that. And we'll check the leaf condition, that if we reach to the last node and leaf left value right value is null and target sum minus this current value is equal to 0, then definitely this is a we found our path. Else we'll decrease the target sum from the root value and we'll call to the other side, on the left side and on the right side. We are using this or function so that if there is any side is come as true, then simply we return true, else return false. So let us see by doing a dry run of the same example. So we have taken this image from that question only and we'll do a dry run. Current target sum is 22 here from the question I have taken, and here on the 5 we have target sum is 22. Then on this root node we'll check if root is null, then return false, but our root is not null. We are currently at this 5, and we'll check if it is leaf node, then return true, but this is not a leaf node. So simply decrease the target sum from the root value, means 22 minus 5 is equal to 17, and simply call the left side and then right side. First left side will call the left side, and current target sum is 17. Now we'll check if root is null. So root is not null. If it is leaf node, but this is not leaf node, simply decrease the target sum from the root value, means 17 minus 4 is equal to 30, and call to the other side, this left side function. So we have called this left side and current target sum is 13. So now we'll check if root is null, but root is not null. So we'll check if it is leaf, means root of left is null and root of right is null, but this is condition is not true. So we'll simply decrease from the target sum from the root value, means 13 minus 11 is equal to 2, and we'll simply call to the left side. So we'll call to the left side. Now we'll check root is null, but root is not null. So we'll check if it is leaf node, means root to left is null, yes. Root to right is null, yes. So we'll check if target sum minus root value, means our target sum was 2. So 2 minus root value is 7. So 7 is equal to minus 5. So if it would have been target sum minus root value, if it is 0, then we'll return true. Else what we'll do is we'll decrease from the target sum, means minus 5, and we'll call the left side. But here we'll check if root is null, yes, root is null. So what we'll do is we'll return false from here. From here we will return as false, and here our target sum was 2. So simply we'll call on the right side, from the here 11 right side we'll call, and we'll check if root is null, but root is not null. If we'll check if it is leaf node, means root to left is null, yes. Root to right is null, yes. And target sum means 2 minus root of value, so root of value is also 2 is equal to 0. So we found our condition, yes, it is 0, then return true. We'll return from here true. Okay, and then simply we have checked the left side, we have checked the right side, and we found that this is OR condition, means any value is true, then function will return as true. and if both the value are false, then we'll return as false. So we have got the right side value as true, so it will be true from the right side, and simply it will return as the true, and will not call the other side, and we have got our solution as true. So yes, we have found our path. So this was all about the video. If you found this helpful, then hit the subscribe button. Let us meet in the other videos.